In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an X-ray on Minecraft Bedrock. So first of all, you'll have to go and use an X-ray texture pack. The easiest and safest way to get that, you can use, as an example, a texture pack, and you can find X-ray like resource pack on trusted sites. Like, you can just go and open any browser and simply go and open a new tab. In here, there are some trusted sites like the Mod Bay. Let's just say I'm going to use this one. And in here's an example, you'll be able to go and look for the X-ray texture pack. So you can click on the search and you can look for X-ray. Go and click on search and you should find, an example, some mods or some X-ray mods. From here, just go and choose mods and you should be able to find, an example, the mods as example that will let you get the X-ray. If you didn't want to use an example, this website, there is also the MCPEDL.com. Also, this one example, you can get mods into it. You can just go and look for the X-ray example in here. So let's just go, and as you can see, you'll find a lot of X-ray modes and you can download whatever you want. So once you download this .mcpack file, you will have to go and open it with Minecraft. It will basically auto-import into your global resources if you go to your settings and resource packs. So I'm going to show you that in PC because I don't have it on phone, and it's the same implementation as in PC as Minecraft Bedrock. So as an example here, let's say you're in Minecraft, you can just go to options and of course then click on resource packs. And here's an example, you'll be able to add any resource pack that you have, if you have any. Other than that, you can click on that, of course, the game will load. And of course, for you, you'll have to go and click on open like the pack folder and simply just choose the pack.mcpack that you downloaded on your phone. You'll have just to locate it and you will have then to add it. Once it's added, you'll find it here. You'll be able then simply go and add it to the selected ones, click on done, and everything should be good to go. And of course, you can pair it with night vision if you want the best result. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.